Second revisions in tendon repair. Inevitable or preventable? Your call. Tendon injuries, particularly rotator cuff tears, affect more than 1/4 of the global population over the age of 50, leading to pain and functional loss. The high recurrence rates and frequent reoperations associated with established techniques are major contributors to repair failure, highlighting the need for safer biomechanical harmonized alternatives such as ZipTech's BioLock system. Introducing Zippy, the only product with an innovative system that incorporates biowasher technology. Inspired by validated principles of mechanical engineering, ZipTech improves load distribution and repair stability by integrating locking washer-type systems into fixation. This design expands the contact surface, generates controlled compressive forces that increase resistance to rip-through, supports faster functional recovery, and minimizes the risk of suture loop-induced tearing. BioLock system. This button technology incorporates a self-locking mechanism designed to slide along a pre-configured suture with progressive safety locks acting like a surgical zip tie to ensure controlled fixation. Its unidirectional design reduces the risk of tendon strangulation by providing stable load distribution, securing the tissue firmly yet gently, and promoting remodeling. Bone preservation. Unlike conventional techniques, this double-row approach requires only 2 perforations, enabling comprehensive remodeling of the tendon-to-bone interface while preserving superior integrity of bone density, architecture, and substrate quality. Reconstructive biomechanics. ZipTech introduces unique controlled compressive forces perpendicular to the repair interface, enhancing structural strength and optimizing tendon stability. This temporary load-sharing mechanism enables the repaired tissue to gradually resume functional loading, resulting in a safe, durable construct that remodels naturally into stronger and more elastic tissue. The system is composed of an anchor preloaded with high-strength sutures, mounted on an ergonomic driver, and ready for immediate use in surgery. Once deployed, the anchor is securely positioned in the bone, and the suture is passed through the tendon to enable controlled sliding of the Zippy button along its path. Thanks to its bioresorbable design, the button advances with minimal resistance and without the possibility of backtracking, activating a self-locking mechanism that maintains constant tension and compresses the tendon firmly against the bone, thereby reducing the risk of re-tear and the need for revision surgery. With time, the bioresorbable implant undergoes remodeling, which promotes biological integration, restores functional strength, and increases the long-term durability of the repair. The ZipTech system accommodates multiple tendon repair configurations tailored to the size and geometry of the tissue defect. For smaller vertical or horizontal tears, a single pair of buttons is typically sufficient to achieve stable fixation. For larger or more complex defects, a double-row configuration, either vertical or horizontal, distributes load across 2 parallel rows of buttons. This increases the tendon-to-bone contact surface, enhances compressive strength, and provides greater mechanical stability to optimize healing. ZipTech BioLock, the first true next-generation bio solution for tendon-to-bone repair. Join the revolution.